Hello, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to oliveboard. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So again, here I am with the third set of NTPC. Again, first of all, apologies because last week I could not take this set. Okay, so it was a problem from my end. So my mother was not well. So that is the reason. Okay. Good evening, Arghamita. Good evening, village level boys. Please tell me your name. It's very uncomfortable, like talking to you guys like that, right? So again, the third set. Again, before I start, let me say one thing. If you guys, if anyone here who is preparing for CGL also or CHSL for that matter, these sets are equally important. Okay, equally useful. So do not take this. This is only NTPC set. We are learning something, right? So it does not matter whether the questions are from NTPC or whether the questions are from your CGL. First question of the day, sir. First question, a pass-fail based question. In yesterday's CGL set also had one question very like similar to this one. So 40 seconds time, please solve. Please solve, sir. Everyone. Quickly solve this, sir. Let's solve this very quickly, sir. चलो मेरा पेट्रोल भी रेडी है सो प्लीज Reena has given answer as 200. Time up, sir. Time up. Sathya 200, Arghamita, Agila, yes, all are saying 200. Chalo. Let's see, sir. A student scored 65% marks, but it was 20 less than qualifying, and this. Always in this pass fail type question, I have said, he said, make an equation equating the passing marks or qualifying marks for that matter in this case. So passing marks of the first situation has to be equal to the passing marks of the second situation. So if you can equate these two, always you will get to your solution, and that too also in a very quick manner. Sir, 65% first situation, and sir, it was 20 less than the qualifying marks, meaning sir, it was 20 less. So if I want to get to the qualifying or the passing marks, I need to add 20 to it, sir, right? 65% itself was 20 less, so I need to add 20 to it. Sir, 80% marks, second situation, another student, sir, 80% marks, that was 10 more than the qualifying marks, meaning sir, this 80% is 10 more than the qualifying marks. So if I want to get to the qualifying marks, I need to subtract 10. So this is also qualifying marks, this is also qualifying marks. Same exam cannot have more than one qualifying marks. Equation, sir. So 15% it is equal to 30, sir. So value of 1% is 2. Value of 1% is 2, sir. Total number of marks in the examination. Sir, 1% is 2. Total meaning, sir, 100% marks. That will be how much, sir? 200. That's your answer. Now, that is option number 1. So, all the answers that I've got was absolutely correct. Very good. Now, this is one way, and yes, Arghamita, your way is also very good. Okay, sir, Arghamita is saying what? Please understand. Arghamita is saying, sir, 60% someone has scored, and 65%. Someone has scored 65% and someone has scored 80%. So difference is of 15%. Difference is of 15%. And what is the difference between marks? Sir, 1 is 20 less. So 1 is 20. So if this is 0, sir, 1 is minus 20 than the qualifying. And 1 is, sir, how much more? 10 more, sir, plus 10. So the difference between these two is 30 marks. So 15% is 30. From there also you can say 1% is 2, sir. And the remaining thing will be the same. So both ways are equally good ways. Okay, sir. Moving on to the next question. One second. रुक जाओ भाई. देखो मेरा 2 and 3 we cannot do because मेरा typist ने यही नहीं दिया. Let's do fourth one, sir. Last two questions ना, it was a set actually. ठीक है. I'll find the question and give you this. Yes, that was a Venn diagram set. Venn diagram ही नहीं दिया. Sir, next one, sir. Next one, sir. Please quickly solve this, and meanwhile let me find the Venn diagram for that question. I had sent him the questions over mail. Sir, please solve. Please solve, sir. Please solve, sir. So just give me a minute. I'm finding those questions. Last week was 3rd April. Chalo, sir. Anyone? I got answers. 2.5 to Arghamita, Reena, Satya, Agila. Absolutely. All of you guys are giving the answer as 2:5. Right? 2/5, na? Yes, chalo. 5/2 Satya. Acha, then again he changed answer. Chalo, sir. If an article is sold at this percentage profit, then the ratio of its cost price to its selling price. It's very simple. 10-second question, sir. Profit is this, sir, CP and SP. Sir, if 100 rupees is my CP, profit is, sir, 150%, meaning 150 rupees, sir. This is your profit. So SP will be how much, sir? SP is, sir, 100 plus 150, that is 250, sir. They are asking these two ratios, sir. Yahi to tha, sir. 5 2s are this, 5 5s are this. CP ratio SP will be, sir, 2:5. 2:5 will be the answer. Option number. Option number, sir, 1. Then natural number each. Village. I guess there is some issue with the language, brother. Expect or except. I'm thinking, right? Except 4 and 10 and 5 multiple. Village. I'm not really getting exactly what the. Can you send me a screenshot or something like that, or exactly type in the question like whatever is written, because there is some issue with the language. Chinmay, Sujan, perfect. Achha, I found that Venn diagram question also. After this one, we'll go back. Okay, second and the third question. Please solve. This week NTPC questions are little easy. Yes, Satya, that's not a difficult question. That is not a difficult question, brother. That is not a difficult question. You just use. I'm giving you some hint. I am giving you some hint. Okay, just give me one. Last part not clear. Which question? This one? How many years? How many times? Arey. Okay. अच्छा, no. अरे नहीं, सही था क्वेश्चन. Question is not. They are asking in 8 years at the same rate of interest, this sum will become how many times? The sum will become how many times? Again, this is a NTPC PYQ, na? And RRBs has this trend of giving some weird languages. Okay? So it is kind of copied from a book only, PYQ books. Okay? Because Railway and SSC exam, they publish their questions. So this is exactly the question. This is the exact question. Chalo sir, chalo sir. Sir, it's very simple actually. It is very simple actually. A sum doubles in 5 years in simple interest. So doubling, what is the meaning of this? Sir, 100%. The sum, it became, sir, double means 200%. Now, why has this happened? You will say, sir, interest is getting added. That is why this doubling. So meaning, sir, how much interest we got? Sir, we got 100% interest. Because 100% then 100% becomes 200%. 100% then 100% becomes 200%. So this 100% interest I'm getting in 5 years, sir. So every year I'm getting 20% interest. 20% interest per year, sir. That is your rate of interest. Now they're asking, in 8 years, how many times the sum will become? So let's see, sir. Sir, 8 years में, in 8 years, so every year I'm getting 20%. So 8 years, I will get, sir, 160%. So sum, this is interest, this is 160% interest. So sum was 100%, this is interest. So sum will become 360%. Sorry, 260%. 260%. Meaning the sum was 100%, now it has become 260%. It was 100%, now it has become 260% because 160% interest we got. So they are asking, this is how many times? 260 is how many times of 100, sir? 2.6 times. Or if you like, they are asking in fractions, sir, 2 5s are this 13. So 5 2s are this 2 whole 3 by 5. 2 whole 3 by 5 option number 3. Option number 3. Yes, Arghamita, Srujan, Sathya. Yes, absolutely correct, you guys. Absolutely correct, you guys. Acha, Sathya has given us one question. Chalo, ek baar acha question hai, let's discuss. Let us have a, I'm just giving you the hint. He's saying the difference between, I'm going. I'm not giving you the, like, doing the whole calculation, but I'm giving you the way, okay? Difference between simple and compound for 3 years. So there is a formula for CI minus SI for 3 years, sir. That is PR square by 10,000 into, sir, R plus 300. Now this is a little calculative question actually, brother. This is given as something. 898.56. And sir, 3 years SI is also given. They are giving you SI meaning, sir, actually P into R into 3 divided by 100. That is equal to 7,200. So what you do now, brothers? You have seen this. Now, there are two unknowns, two variables. You see P and R, P and R. Because, but I cannot solve the equations, both the equations in one line, or like in like where the, like till the point we are having two variables. So I have to eliminate one. Sir, elimination, the best way is division. Why, sir? If I divide, PP cancels. R becomes this, 100 becomes this, right? So we are getting R by 100 remaining here, and this is R plus 300 by, sir, 100. And Nietzsche said this is, there is a 1 by 3. This 3 is remaining, sir. It is equal to 898.56 divided by 7,200, sir. 0000 gone, sir. Right? 0000 gone. 1 second. Yes, chalega. And this 100 will go that side and it will get rid of this. So you just calculate from here. And 3 also you can take, or 3 you can cancel actually. So you can calculate, say, 24 R into R plus 300, it is equal to 89856 into, sir, acha, into nothing, na, into nothing. So this is your equation, and please Satya, do not try to solve this equation here. Do not solve. Check the options and get to the answer. Value betha. Yes, yes, Arghamita, now division, exactly the point. Because please understand, you have to get rid of anything, like at least R or P. Now you can also say, so let's like square this and then divide, so R square will cancel. That also is a one way. Whatever happens, you need to understand, you have to get rid of either P or R. Then only you can get to the answer of one. Because one equation, two unknowns, never you can solve. This is a the village, I'm going there, but before that, let's solve some questions which I have brought. Okay, then again I'll talk about doubts. Definitely I'll take the doubts. Okay, brothers. Okay, no worries. अरे कोई बात नहीं. Sir, I'm giving you the question, like the question that is missing here. In a building, 30 people drink only coffee. I'm giving you the information, just the gist. Only coffee, 30 people, sir. Okay. Only tea, sir, 40 people. Only tea and coffee, sir, 25 people. Only tea and milk, sir, it is, sir, it is a 20. All three is, sir, 15. These informations are given. Now they're asking you to figure this out. Venn diagram question, very commonly asked in NTPC. Very, very commonly actually asked in NTPC. So please solve this. Please solve, sir. Jaldi se solve karo, sir. Please solve this one, sir. Arghamita has given answer. Acha, two answers. Which one? Second one. This information is given. Make the Venn diagram, because there is another question also after this. This was a question. I can give you the exact details as well. अरे मैं बंद कर दिया. रुको. Exact question details was. This is CBT 2 2017. This is CBT 2 2017. 19th of January 2017, shift 2. 19th of January 2017, shift 2. This question was asked in NTPC. Sir, you will see. Here, if you have not done Venn diagram, just understand. Make your Venn diagram, sir. Okay, sir. Now, why have I drawn three circles? Because, sir, there are three variables. First thing in Venn diagram is to identify how many variables. Sir, tea, coffee, and there is milk wala thing as well, sir. There is some milk wala thing as well, sir. So milk thing will also take. Now, sir, tea I have seen, coffee. So let's take three circles. One is for tea, one is for coffee, one is for milk. Right? Only coffee, this only has some significance. But before that, I always say, first value from these you put in the Venn diagram is the all three values, sir. It is 15. This is all three. You see intersection of all three variables. Only coffee is, sir, 30 here, sir. Only tea, sir, sorry, देखो ये तो coffee वाला, sir. Sorry. Only coffee, sir, 30. Only tea, sir, 40. Only milk, I don't even know. Let's see. Only tea and coffee. Again, this only. Only tea and coffee meaning, sir, not milk. Only word means not milk. So only this above part is, sir, 25. Above part is, sir, 25. And only tea and milk. Only tea and milk, sir, is how much? 20, sir. only tea and milk, sir. Like this is 20. Now what they're asking, sir? What is the difference between the number of people who drink tea and those who drink coffee, sir? Now you see the only word is gone. Now the only word is not there. Sir, let's see, sir. Tea, like the people who drink tea. What is the meaning of this line? Anything who is in this tea circle. Whoever is in this circle. Now, and who drink coffee. This means whoever is in this circle, sir. Right? Sir, if I'm taking difference, thoda dimag lagao. If I'm taking difference, sir, I will not pick these two. I will not pick these two, sir. Why not two? Because this is common in tea as well as coffee. Minus karenge cut jayega. When we subtract, this will cancel. Sir, coffee. So that means tea has these two extra and this is this extra. 40 plus 20 minus 30. So the answer will be, sir, 30. I have got so many wrong answers, I guess. That is 30, sir. 10 is not the correct answer. Why have you taken 10 as the correct answer? Everyone, village, Srujan, Reena, Arghamita, Satya. Have I missed any data? मैंने क्या भूल like गड़बड़ किया? अरे रुको. Let me. 30 people drink only tea, 40 drink only coffee, 40 only tea. The printing is so bad. 25 is only tea and coffee, 20 only tea and milk. Okay, all 315. No, यही तो है सर, यही है सर. No, okay, you considered. You see, please understand. मैं चिल्ला के बताया. I have said this many times. This only word has some significance. And you see here, this only word is not here, neither here nor there. So you see, only they have not said. They are asking how many people like coffee, how many people like tea. That one, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear the mistake that you had made? Clear na, sir? Quickly, chalo, sir. आगे बढ़ते हैं, sir. Sir, please. Compound interest. 40 seconds, sir. 40 seconds, sir. Quickly solve this. Just skip the other Venn diagram question, okay? Because why? बन गया तो क्या बना है? Venn diagram is made ना. चलो सर. Answers. Srujan is saying 200. 220, sorry. So there are multiple ways to think. So 10% per annum for 2 years. Simple interest will be, sir, 40%. 20%, sorry, 40% मैं बोल रहा हूँ. 20%, sir. Simple interest will be, sir, 20%. Why, sir? 10% 1 year, 10% second year, total 20%. Sir, compound interest will be what, sir? For 2 years. Because they are talking about compound interest later on. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100. AB theorem, sir. AB theorem. Or if you are serious, you should not actually need to do this. 10% you should remember over 21 hota hai. That is, sir, 21. So 20%, 21%. So the difference is how much, sir? Difference is of, sir, 1%. Wahi the answer will be. Now, sir, you will say, simple interest is this. Meaning, sir, mathematically, the value of 20% is given as 4,000 rupees. Sir, I need 1%. 4,000 divided by 20. So gone. Huh? 1 second. हाँ वही तो मैंने बोला 200 rupees. But again, why all of you guys are giving wrong answers? Why are you guys giving wrong answers? 220, 200. Srujan ka answer was correct, 200. Then again, everybody started. Srujan also said 220. Why? Srujan, you had given correct answer. Everyone. 10%, 2 years. तो वही तो दिया है सर. Tell me, anything is going not right? Anything here which is not really clicking? I'm getting like it is wrong answers, so everybody wrong answer. Chinmay, again wrong answer. गड़बड़ हो गया sir. Something is not right. Something is Agila, Argamita. Because you guys don't do that. I'm saying अरे मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ क्या? Everyone clear sir? Everybody clear sir? Everybody clear sir? Everybody clear? Everybody sir clear this? Clear sir? Now another way, let me show you sir. Another way you can think sir. Sir, 2 years CI and SI, the difference formula was sir PR square by 10,000. So that also you can use. That also you can use. But sir, again, I don't know sir P. So for P, you have to figure it out. 10% into 2, meaning sir 20% ka value is 4,000. So 100% is P. You can calculate like that. But again, actually, this formula comes from this AB theorem only. Please understand. The formula actually comes using this AB theorem only. So what I'm asking, rather than using the formula, use the way the formula comes, the AB theorem itself. Yes, Arghamita. No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Sir, next question. Next question, sir. Yes, Reena, it was a very simple question. 200 tha. Chalo, sir, quickly. Income expenditure question. Income expenditure question, sir. Anyone? Yes, Arghamita, Satya, Susindran, absolutely. You guys are correct. ये देखो इसके लिए ना you don't need anything. You do not need to worry a little bit, like even a little bit. Sir, Amar, Komal, 2%. ठीक है sir. Income, expenditure, savings. Sir, how are they related, sir? Sir, expenditure plus savings is always the income. We all know if I earn something, either I'll expend or I'll save. और कुछ चारा है नहीं. We don't have any other option. Sir, let's see ना क्या क्या दिया है sir. Income is 5/4, meaning sir 5 rupees, 4 rupees. Ratio of expenditure is also given sir, 2:1 sir. And savings का ratio not given. They are saying each of them saves that. नहीं चाहिए sir value. We do not need the value actually. Actually, we need. I should not do this. For this, I don't need. Question में तो चाहिए. Question में I need. So meaning, sir, please understand. Please understand. This is meaning savings for both is same. Can I say this? Because both of them are saving the same amount. Sir, if so now, can I say, sir, savings will be what, sir? Income minus expenditure. That way only I'll get like savings. So if I just work on this, I can write the income minus expenditure will give me my savings, because I know expenditure plus savings is income. So income minus expenditure will be savings. Sir, 5 minus 2 if I do, I'm getting 3. 4 minus 1 I do, I'm also getting 3. Now you see, automatically the values, the ratios are given in this manner. So we are automatically getting the ratios of like the saving ratio to be the same. 3 ratio 3 means it's same. It is same, sir. Now they have told us कि ये जो 3 का value है, this 3, the saving, that is 6,000 rupees. So 3 units is equal to, sir, 6,000 rupees, sir. So what they're asking, income of Amar, unit, the 5 units ka value, sir. 3 units 6,000, 1 unit 2,000, 5 units 10,000. You do not need anything. Option 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Option number, sir, 4. Nikita is saying question 7 answer 10,000. Yes, absolutely 10,000 is the correct answer. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. Everyone, yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys. Now, sir, one simple question. Say, for example, instead of giving it 4, like 5 ratio 4, if it was 4 ratio 3, तब आप क्या करते? अच्छा, then also it is same ना, 4 ratio 5 कर देते sir. Sir, it is 4 ratio, but again बहुत गड़बड़ होगा. छोड़ो छोड़ो छोड़ो. I have to back calculate so many things before I can give you the answer. Otherwise, the values will not match. Choro. So please understand what I was trying to say. Please understand, not every time the question might be this simple. You are subtracting and you are getting this 1:1 ratio, 3:3 ratio. Sometimes you might need to, so if these two are not matching, so then in that case, what do? You might need to match the ratios. Match the ratios. How, sir? By doing some manipulation. Manipulation means, sir? Manipulation means, sir, multiplication mostly. So I'll multiply this first income ratio by something, expenditure ratio by something, so that the difference is same. Okay? So that thing you might need to do if the question requires you to do this. Sir, next question. Next one, sir. Yes, Argamita, that is the correct approach. That is exactly the correct approach, sir. Chalo, sir, 40 seconds. 40 seconds, sir. Let's solve this quickly. Let us solve this very, very quickly, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Time up. Anyone? B, Reena, B. Chalo. I got 2 answers as this. B. Let's see. A, B invested some amount in a business in the ratio 3:5. After 6 months, C joins the business by investing an amount equal to B. Chalo, sir. So there are 3 people. A and B started with this ratio. After 6 months, C joined with an amount equal to, sir, B. That means B is 5, so C is also 5. Now, what should be what, and like we'll see that. So please understand, time ratio. A was there for 12 months. B was there for 12 months, right? Annual profit. So like why I'm taking 12 months? Because they're saying annual profit, meaning 1 year. 12, but C joined 6 months later. No? So C's money was there for 6 months. Sir, ये हो गया, sir, 1, 2, 2. So 3 3s are 9 ratio. The PSR, profit sharing ratio. 5 into 2, sir, 10. 5 into 1, sir, 5. Sir, 10, 5, 10, 5, only this one. Now let me give you a shortcut or like way to think short, way to think. Yes, 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 Chinmay. Exactly what I'm about to say. Sir, please understand. Just take this. After 6 months, meaning for half the time, C joins for with an amount equal to B, meaning the profit, like the investment ratio is same. So the time ratio B is double, B is 2, it is 1, 6 months, 12 months. So their profit sharing ratio also will be 2:1 for B and C. Check the options. 5:6, 2:1, no sir. 7:5, 2:1, no sir. 5:4, not 2:1. So this is only option. 10:5, 2:1. So I don't even need to consider it. I can only just by reading this one line without this thing, वो भी नहीं चाहिए sir. Just by reading this particular line, I can say this B and C should be at the 2:1. So just check the options, you will get your answer. You will get your answer. Clear, sir? Everyone. Now, if you want which exam, like which shift was this, वो भी मैं बता सकता हूँ. This is question number 8. So last income expenditure question was from NTPC CBT 1 2021. This is from 2019. This is from 2019. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Done. Very, very, very good. Very, very, very good question. If you know, it's a 10 seconder. If you don't know, it will take some time. ये तो टाइम लगेगा. अच्छा काम करो. 30 seconds should be enough. वो देखो आंसर आ गया. अगीला, Satya, absolutely both of your answers are exactly the correct. Mathematics conceptum. Yes, your answer is also correct. I don't know brother, sister, who, but again, it is correct. Reena, yes, your answer is also correct. Very, very good. Arghamita, yes, your answer is also correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 correct answers I've got till now. Sir, remember, if you don't know. Sir, first n natural number. Sum is, sir, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. First n odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 in terms. First n. So that is always n square. And first n 1 अरे 1 क्यों लिखा मैंने? Sorry. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, meaning first n even natural number, sir, that is always n into n plus 1. Sir, first 1947 even natural number sum will be what, sir? 1947 into 1947 plus 1, n into n plus 1. So now they are not asking sum, they are asking average. So divided by how many numbers? 1947 numbers. Cancels. The answer is 1948. 1948, option number 1, sir. 1948, option number, sir, 1. Now you might say, which exam? So this was asked in this is 2016. This is 2016 question. Everybody clear, sir? Now again, I'm saying this exact question is from 2016. But don't take this. Similar questions has been asked last year, last to last year, every year they ask. Similar, very like questions on very similar concepts. Srujan, perfect, brother. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Chalo, sir. Next one, next one, next one. 10th one. 10th one, sir. 10th question, sir. जल्दी से. Time in work question, 40 seconds time. जल्दी से बनाओ. जल्दी से बनाओ, sir. Quickly, quickly, quickly answer. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct answers. Chalo, chalo, very good. Very, very, very good. Chalo, chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. A and B can do a piece of work together in 30 days. Together with C, they can complete in 24. How many days alone, sir? Yes, sir. This is a pseudo 3% question. Actually, sir, it is 2%. A and B, they are kind of, you can take them as one. Sir, A plus B ratio, A plus B along with C, sir. Right? Sir, efficiency ratio is always 1 by time ratio. Sir, time ratio is 30 ratio 24. So it will be, sir, 1 by 30 ratio 1 by 24. Right, sir? So 4 6 are this, 4 5 6 5s are this. So again, this is 4 ratio 5, sir. Meaning A plus B does 4 units in one day. A plus B plus C does 5 units in one day. Sir, from there can I say C does, sir, 1 unit a day? Because out of this 5 units, 4 units is done by A and B. So remaining 1 unit is C doing. So they are asking C will take how much time? Sir, if A and B does 4 units, they are taking, so whatever number of days, C is 1/4 of that efficiency. C is doing 1 unit, he will take 4 times the number of days or 4 times the time. 4 गुना समय लगेगा. हो गया सर. उसको चाहिए था 30 days A and B together. So C will take, sir, into 4, sir. Sir, option number 2 is the answer. Option number 2 is most definitely the correct answer. Srujan, no formulas, brother. Again, I have a very big allergy towards those shortcut formulas. No, brother. Please do not use formulas, brother. Why? Let me say again, I have a very strong reason behind why I'm saying this. If there was, this is instead of 2, it was a 3% question, then what you do? Then, sir, what you do, sir? अब बताओ क्या करोगे सर? गड़बड़ हो गया. So again, I always say learn in a fashion that works everywhere. Learn, not memorize. Right, sir? Sir, pipe and cistern. Chalo. 40 seconds. Again, that being said, I'm not saying your method is wrong or your answer is wrong. Answer is same, perfect, works. But again, you are putting too much effort. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करना होता है उधर. चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो सर. Time up. Time up. I got 3 correct answers as of now. Sathya Arghamita. Acha, 2 correct answers actually. 2 answers. 2 answers. Chalo, 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 sir. Let's see now. So again, if you are liking the session, I'll request you guys to all hit the like button. Na? So actually that gives the session a little bit more reach. That gives the session a little bit more reach. Village, it's 28, Reena 20. Village level boys, like, brother, what is your name? I forgot. I guess you told me the other day. Samir was your name? No, वो artist का name था. चलो चलो चलो. Pipe P works twice as fast as pipe Q. Q works twice as fast as pipe R. Sir, P, Q, R. Figure out the efficiency ratio, sir. Sir, who is slowest? R is slowest. You see, this is going left to right. So R can fill 1 liter a minute, or in this is hour unit, so 1 liter an hour. Q works twice as fast, meaning efficiency is twice, so it is 2. P works twice as fast as Q. So Q is 2. So P will be twice of that. That is 4, sir. Sir, ये रहा sir efficiency ratio. This is ER, efficiency ratio. Done. Now, together they take 8 hours. So from this information, I'll get total volume, sir. Why, sir? Why total volume, sir? Sir, P fills 4 liters, Q 2 liters, R 1 liter every hour. So total together they fill 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 liters an hour. And they are taking how many hours to fill? So they are taking 8 hours together. So total volume of the tank is 7 into 8, 56 liters. That is 56 liters. Now these 56 liters, who will fill, sir? Q alone. Q alone means by 2, sir. 2 is the efficiency of. So total volume by efficiency will be, sir, time. So Q will take 28 hours, sir. That's your answer. Option number, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Yes, Shrujan, yes, your answer is also perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect, brother. You see, very, very, very simple. Nothing that is very difficult here. No question which is very difficult here. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये वाला क्वेश्चन पहले बनाओ सर. Let's solve this first. Let us solve this one first. Geometry question. Geometry question. I've just broken the trend. Geometry का question है sir. And whoever is prepared, tell me the theorem that I need. Tell me the theorem that we will be needing in here. कौन सा theorem चाहिए sir? Name of that theorem. Second, yes, Argamit, absolutely perfect. वही सर मेरे को पूछना. Sir, AP, CP, DP. AP is at 12, the whole thing. CP is, sir, this whole thing, 8. DP is, sir, 6. Okay, sir. Meaning, sir, this much. They're asking maybe BP, na? Length of the radius. Acha, diameter. Acha, this is diameter. Chalo, this is diameter. So meaning, sir, I actually need to figure out this. I actually need to figure out, sir, this. So whatever this will be, half of that will be like this radius because the AB is diameter. Okay, sir. Sir, second theorem, I don't think you guys will be see. You guys will be able to see this. Second theorem is saying what? So 2 seconds. Actually what happens if you add them, this triangle is actually it follows. This is similar triangles actually. So I can say PD into PC, it is equal to PB into PA. This is your second theorem. This into the whole thing, this into the whole thing. So put down whatever values you know. PD I can see 6, CP I can see 8, PB I don't know. PB will be, sir. Acha, PA I know, sir. PA is given as 12. अच्छा एक काम करो ना सर, let's not take this as x, okay, because वो चाहिए ना हमको. Sir, let us take this as x because this is there, directly आ जाएगा sir. So this is, sir, x. Sir, 6 2s are 12, 2 4s are this. So the value of x is 4, sir. If x is 4, meaning sir, this one, sir, 4. This is 4, sir. So this has to be 8. Why? Because total is 12, sir. So radius will be what, sir? Radius will be, sir, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. That will be your answer, sir. That will be your answer. Option number, sir, 4. Option number, sir, 4. AP is 3 parts. Yeah, that also works. That also works, brother. That also works. But again, this is simple and like some subtract, like the simple subtraction actually works. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Sir, this one, sir. This one, sir. बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है सर, दिस वन कंसेप्चुअल. Again, if you are liking the session, please do hit the like button, sir, once. That's a request. That is one simple request, sir. 10-second question. You should not take more than 10 seconds. Give me answers. Yes, 13. Argamita will. अरे भाई आप नाम बताओ. Arpita, yes, very good. Mathematics conceptum, like conceptum. Reena, yes, perfect. Sir, if you know, sir, perimeter means 4a. So ratio of perimeters is meaning nothing but, because you see in a square the perimeter is 4 times a. So 4 times a by 4 times some other a. Sir, 4 cancels. So ultimately it is what, sir? It is ratio of sides only. Remember, sir, in 2D mensuration or be it 3D mensuration, this ratio concept only works whether it's a square, whether it's a cube, whether it's a normal value. Meaning value, square, cube, ratio only works on that. Other everything is what? Other everything is constant, sir. So, sir, this is area ratio. Area ratio is, sir, ratio of squares. Area ratio is ratio of squares. Square, something square. So that ratio is 169. Ratio 196. So, sir, ratio of sides will be square root of this, na, sir. Can I say this? Ratio of the sides will be square root of the areas. कर लो sir. ये होता है sir everyone 13 and this ये होता है sir 14. So option number 1, sir. Option number 4, sir. Option number, sir, 4. Yes, everyone. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So Arpita, correct. Mathematics, conceptum, correct. Reena, Srujan, Satya, absolutely. Satya. It's not Satya, it's Satya. Sir, this one. This one, sir. This one, sir. If you know it's a 10-seconder, if you don't know, then put 5 stars into this question because this is a concept that you need. ये थोड़ा concept चाहिए sir. Done, sir. Any answers? वही 13:14 में अटक गया. Anyone, sir? Anyone, sir? 54. Samir has given answer 54. Samir has given the answer 54. Samir का आंसर is actually correct. Actually correct. 54 है ना? Yes है तो. चलो sir. Sir, remember this concept. I told you ना 5 stars देके रखो. If you see this, after passing each other, one train is taking this much hours, another train is taking this much hours, or this many minutes, whatever, some time is given. And they're asking something about the speeds. So there is a very, very important shortcut, or actually the concept. S1 ratio S2 is root over of T2 by T1. Remember this. Now how this comes now? Actually this comes, if you ask me, कैसे बताएं sir? Say this particular train is coming, this particular train is coming. They have met. they have met here. So remember, sir, this is a time, some time, this is time, time. Sir, always remember this is na in GP. This thing, this by this is equal to this by this time ratio. And from there, speed, you can say, sir, that is the concept of GM, or like in mean proportional root over of T2, T1. So from there, we actually get this formula. I've just given you a very gist way of how this formula comes. But again, if you guys know, S1 by S2 will be, sir. Acha, I should not write S1, S2 because that will create confusions. So starting from one train started from Delhi, SD, speed of the Delhi train, speed of the Patna train. Okay, so this will be, sir, opposite train, time of the Patna train, time of the Delhi train. This is, these times are what, sir? Time, these times are the times to reach destination after meeting. After meeting. After meeting, how much time they are taking to reach. That is T1 and T2. T1, this 1 and 1, they are kind of the corresponding times for the speeds. So you see DD, like PP, opposite. Opposite. Actually, this is also how that happens. So you see this by this equal to this by this, meaning that opposites are equal. Sir. Opposites are always equal. Meaning in the multiplication. Sir, Delhi train, first train, Delhi to Patna, second train, Patna to Delhi. First train, this much time. Sir, 4 hours and 48 minutes, Delhi train. Sir, 4 hours and ratio means that I don't need to take care of, I do not need to take care of what, sir? Of the units. As long as the units, both the units are in the same thing, minutes to minutes, hours to hours. So let's convert in minutes. 4 hours 240, 240 plus 48 is 288. ये देखो 12 का कुछ चलेगा because 144 I can see. 3 hours 20 minutes 180 and ये देखो 200 sir. So 2 is 100, 2 is 144. Square root gives us 10 by 12. Square root gives us 5 by 6. Meaning sir, I can say SD by SP is it is equal to 5 by 6. Now sum I guess given. Train starting from Delhi, SD is given as 45. Sir, ये value sir दिया है sir 45. They are saying this is 45 sir. 5 nines are this. SP they are asking, that will be 6 nines are 54. So that is how you solve this question. 54 kilometer per hour. Option number sir 3. Option number sir 3. It's a beautiful question. Okay. And this concept I have done actually in classes. I guess Reena will attest to that. बहुत कुछ किए थे हम with this concept, right? Reena, if you remember that I have solved some, like I've shown you some CAT वगैरह का questions as well. Some PYQs from CAT for just to understand the concept, this whole GP concept, so that you can do anything with that. So that was your answer. So again, just one question left, which I'll be giving you guys as homework. This will be this week's homework, sir. So again, do not answer currently. Please take a screenshot and answer in the comment section of the recorded video. Right? So this is something we will do. I will personally answer to each and every one of your comments. Take it. So that will then be all for the day. And thank you so much. Village level boys has answered. No worries. But again, please do comment in that so I can answer, I can reply. So again, thank you so much for joining the session. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you want to learn something, if you want to join our courses, so again we have a course that has just started, that is SSC CGL Tier 1 booster batch. Again, this is not for absolute beginners, let me say that. So this course is targeted for whoever is restarting their preparation or they have the basic level of preparation, but you want to boost your scores. Say you are getting somewhere like very close to cutoff, but again, not exactly. You are not exactly getting the scores that you want. You need 10% jump, 15% jump. So very, very specific things you are not exactly getting. You are not getting over the line. They, like, for them, this will be the best course to join. Okay, sir. So again, thank you so much, everyone. अच्छा फ्री वाला भी मैं बता देता हूँ. So and for those who needs free classes, every Saturday all of our faculties take free classes on the platform, the oliveboard website. So please, if you are interested, this is completely free. I personally take the classes every Saturday at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 1 hour session I take. Again, if you have some topic recommendations you need a class on, please do comment in the comment section. I'll take that up as topics. Okay. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I'll again see you guys tomorrow at the same time with the CGL practice set. And please, till then, please take care. And I hope you guys have liked this. So take care. Bye bye. Have a good night.